Tired of the same old boring lunches? I've been there, staring down another sad wilted salad or a dry lifeless sandwich. Today, I'll show you delicious, easy, and healthy weight loss meals you can prep in minutes. Perfect for busy professionals. We'll use fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and smart prep hacks to save time without cutting corners on taste. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 mouth-watering, weight loss-friendly lunches that'll keep you fueled and satisfied. Ready? Let's get prepping. Let's kick things off with a Mediterranean quinoa bowl, a dish that's as beautiful as it is nourishing and perfect for anyone looking to eat well without sacrificing flavor or fun. This isn't just any bowl, it's a riot of colors, bursting with freshness and packed with nutrients. Every bite is a celebration of Mediterranean flavors, and it's a feast for your eyes as much as your taste buds. Quinoa is the star here. It's a complete protein, cooks in no time, and soaks up flavor like a sponge. It's also naturally gluten-free, making it a fantastic base for just about anyone. Start by rinsing your quinoa to wash away that bitter taste. This quick step makes all the difference, ensuring your grains are light and fluffy, never gritty or harsh. Into boiling water it goes, and in 15 minutes, it's fluffy and ready. While it simmers, you can already smell that nutty aroma filling your kitchen. While the quinoa's bubbling away, chop up your veggies: cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, red onions, and sweet bell peppers. These fresh ingredients bring crunch, juiciness, and a rainbow of color to your bowl. The more color, the better. Each shade means a different set of vitamins and antioxidants, so don't be shy about mixing it up. Slice some olives for that salty Mediterranean punch, and crumble over a bit of feta if you fancy. The olives add a briny depth, while feta brings a creamy, tangy finish that ties everything together. For the plant protein kick, toss in some chickpeas. They're a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and make this bowl extra hearty. They're loaded with fiber, so you'll stay full longer, and they give that lovely, creamy bite. Chickpeas also add a subtle nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Sprinkle over some fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. Bright, zesty, and essential. The lemon wakes up all the flavors, and parsley adds a fresh herbal note. Make a quick dressing: olive oil, red wine vinegar, a touch of Dijon salt, and pepper. Whisk it together for a tangy, silky vinaigrette that brings everything together. Shake it up, pour it over, and let everything marinate while you finish your prep. This step lets the flavors meld, making every bite more delicious. Don't forget the healthy fats. A few slices of avocado on top adds creaminess and keeps you satisfied. Avocado also delivers potassium and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. This bowl is a powerhouse. Protein, fiber, good fats, and a punch of flavor. It's the kind of meal that fuels your body and keeps your energy steady all day. Pack it up in containers, and you're sorted for lunch all week. It's perfect for meal prep, saving you time and money while keeping your nutrition on point. It's just as good cold as it is warm, which means zero excuses for skipping out. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, this bowl is always ready. Plus, this meal is naturally gluten-free and vegetarian. It's inclusive, so everyone at the table can enjoy it, no matter their dietary needs. Imagine opening your lunchbox and seeing this vivid, fresh bowl instead of another beige, boring snack. It's a little moment of joy in the middle of your day. That's how you keep your motivation high and your goals on track. Eating well doesn't have to be dull or difficult. It can be vibrant, satisfying, and fun. Next time you're tempted to grab a soggy sandwich, remember, in just a few minutes you can have something so much better. You deserve a meal that makes you feel good inside and out. This is real fuel for real results. Give this Mediterranean quinoa bowl a try and see how delicious healthy eating can truly be. Now, let's spice things up with a teriyaki chicken and veggie rice bowl, a meal that's as colorful as it is delicious and perfect for fueling your day. This bowl is loaded with lean protein, plenty of fiber, and a rainbow of vibrant veggies. And that homemade teriyaki sauce? It's sweet, savory, and absolutely out of this world, way better than anything you'll find in a bottle. Start with boneless, skinless chicken breast for a healthy, protein-packed base. Slice it thin so it cooks quickly and evenly, locking in all those juices. Give the chicken a simple seasoning, just a pinch of salt and black pepper to enhance its natural flavor. Heat up a non-stick pan, add a splash of oil, and lay the chicken in a single layer so it gets a beautiful sear. Sear the chicken until it's golden and juicy, just a few minutes per side. Be careful not to overcook it so it stays tender. While the chicken cooks, get your rice going. Brown rice is perfect for extra fiber and a nutty flavor. But jasmine rice is a great choice if you want something lighter and fragrant. Cook the rice until it's fluffy and tender, then set it aside so it's ready for assembly. Now for the veggies, think broccoli florets, crisp snap peas, shredded carrots, and sweet red bell peppers. The more color, the better. Toss the veggies into the pan with the chicken for the last few minutes of cooking, letting them soak up all those flavors. Stir fry just until the veggies are crisp, tender, and still vibrant. You want them to keep their crunch and color, not turn mushy. Time for the star of the show, homemade teriyaki sauce. Combine low-sodium soy sauce, a splash of mirin, a spoonful of honey for sweetness, freshly grated ginger, and a clove of garlic. You can even add a dash of sesame oil for extra depth. Simmer the sauce until it's thick, glossy, and coats the back of a spoon. This is where all the magic happens. Pour that gorgeous sauce over your chicken and veggies, toss everything together, and let the aroma fill your kitchen. Spoon the fluffy rice into your meal prep bowls, top with the glossy teriyaki chicken and veggies, and finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and sliced green onions for a fresh crunch. This is a power lunch that'll have your coworkers peeking over, wishing they'd brought something half as good. The best part? It reheats beautifully, so you can make a big batch and have healthy, delicious lunches ready for days. No more scrambling for last-minute meals. No more sad, flavorless lunches. Just pure, delicious energy in every bite, fueling you through your busiest days. Every bite is satisfying, packed with nutrition, and keeps you on track with your goals, whether you're at work, at home, or on the go. This is how you eat for results, enjoy every meal, and never feel deprived. Give it a try and taste the difference. Meal 3 is the Mexican black bean wrap, a lifesaver for busy days. It's high fiber, plant-based, and absolutely packed with flavor. Start with whole wheat wraps. They're sturdier, add fiber, and won't fall apart by lunchtime. Crack open a can of black beans, rinse and drain them well. Mash half of the beans with a fork, leaving the others whole for texture. Chop up some red onion, juicy tomatoes, and a handful of cilantro. Toss them together for a fresh pico de gallo. Add some corn, sweet, crunchy, and a perfect balance to the beans. Squeeze over lime juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of smoked paprika or chili powder for a little kick. Season with salt and pepper and give it a good mix. Spread a little Greek yogurt or smashed avocado onto your wrap for creaminess. Pile on the black bean mixture, then spoon over your fresh salsa mix. Add some sliced romaine or spinach for crunch. Roll it up tight. Tuck in the sides, roll from the bottom, and slice in half. You've got a portable, nutritious lunch that's ready when you are. These wraps hold up well in the fridge, so make a few at once and you're sorted. Grab, go, and stay on track no matter how busy life gets. Fourth up, we have the salmon and veggie salad jar, a meal that's as beautiful as it is delicious, and perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthy without sacrificing flavor or convenience. If you're tired of soggy, uninspired salads that wilt by lunchtime, this is your game changer. Say goodbye to limp greens and hello to vibrant, crisp veggies in every bite. The secret is in the layering. By stacking each ingredient in a specific order, everything stays crisp and fresh until you're ready to eat. It's meal prep magic that actually works. Start with a mason jar or a tall lunch container, something clear so you can see all those gorgeous layers. The presentation alone will have you looking forward to lunch all morning. First, pour your dressing into the bottom of the jar. I like a simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, a pinch of dill, salt, and pepper. You can also add a touch of honey or mustard for extra zing. This way, your greens stay dry and crisp, protected from the dressing until you're ready to shake it up and eat. No more soggy leaves. Next, add a layer of cherry tomatoes and sliced cucumbers. These veggies are sturdy and can handle sitting in the jar without going mushy. Their firm texture means they'll stay fresh and crunchy, even if you prep your salad a day or two in advance. Now for the star of the show, cooked salmon. It adds a rich, satisfying flavor and makes this salad a complete meal. Roast a fillet the night before, just season with salt, pepper, and a slice of lemon, then bake until it's perfectly flaky and tender. You can even use leftover salmon from dinner. Let it cool completely, then flake it into bite-sized pieces so it's easy to eat straight from the jar or poured onto a plate. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, perfect for keeping you full, focused, and energized throughout your busy day. Add shredded carrots, sweet corn, and a handful of edamame for even more color, crunch, and nutrition. These veggies add a pop of sweetness and a boost of fiber. Each layer not only keeps everything fresh, but also makes every bite interesting and full of different textures and flavors. Finally, pile in your greens, spinach, arugula, or a mix of your favorites. Pack them in tight so you get a generous serving of leafy goodness. Seal the jar tightly, and when you're ready to eat, just give it a good shake to mix everything together and coat the veggies in that zesty dressing. The dressing coats every ingredient, and you get all those layers of flavor and texture in every single bite. No more boring salads. It's portable, mess-free, and looks absolutely stunning, like a rainbow in a jar. Perfect for meal prep or taking lunch on the go. This is how you do healthy eating right, even on your busiest days. With a little prep, you'll have a fresh, nourishing meal ready whenever you need it. Last but not least, the lentil and sweet potato curry bowl. This one's pure comfort, warm, hearty, and packed with nutrition. Start by peeling and dicing your sweet potatoes into bite-sized cubes. Heat a large pot, add a splash of oil, and sauté diced onion, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Toss in curry powder, cumin, and a pinch of chili flakes for heat. Let the spices toast for a minute to unlock their flavor. Add the sweet potatoes, followed by dried red lentils. Pour in some low-sodium vegetable broth and a can of crushed tomatoes. Stir well, bring to a simmer, and let it bubble away until everything is tender. While it cooks, prep your toppings: fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and maybe a spoonful of Greek yogurt for creaminess. When the curry's thick and the sweet potatoes are soft, season with salt and pepper. Taste and adjust the spices. Spoon the curry into containers and let it cool before sealing. This dish gets even better overnight as the flavors meld together. It's meal prep magic. Comforting, nutritious, and ready to grab all week. Plant-based, protein-rich, and loaded with fiber. It'll keep you full for hours, helping you avoid those mid-afternoon snack attacks. This is what real healthy comfort food looks like. There you have it. 5 bold, flavor-packed lunches that'll make you actually look forward to your midday meal. These recipes prove that eating healthy doesn't mean eating bland or boring. It's about maximizing flavor, using fresh ingredients, and prepping smart so you can take on your day fueled and focused. With a little planning and the right recipes, you'll never have to settle for sad, uninspired food again. If you enjoyed these meal prep ideas, don't forget to subscribe to SlimSync for more quick, healthy weight loss recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep thriving, and never settle for boring lunches again.